Good morning, madlang guys! Welcome back sa ating new video! We just woke up. Well, I just woke up. Millie woke up like what time? 7. And Cameron wake up also 7? Yeah. Did you wake up 7? Cameron.
I will wake up when Millie's waking.
She's having carrots. Carrots, guys. How is your sleep? Huh? How is your sleep, guys? Yay! It's so good! It's so good! Yummy! Yummy! Is it good? Huh? Para kang lalaki dyan sa forma mo. Sa pantulog mo, tsaka sa piluka mo, dahil. Yay! Hi, Mav! Good morning! Maverick is already there, oh. Waiting for Daddy. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ayan, kunin na ni Cameron si Maverick. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap. Si Arte. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. So, ganito yung morning routine ni Millie, guys. Pagising namin sa umaga, ayan, palitan yung kanyang diaper, and then, ay, nagmamadali na. Palitan yung kanyang diaper, and then, yum, 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 yum. Ayun, palitan yung kanyang diaper, and then, pakainin muna after nun. Kasi nga, parang hindi, ganyan. Like, ganyan. Kung paliguan ko na agad, madami na namang dumi. But I'll show you what's our morning routine. So, normally, sa umaga, kapag nagising siya, like 7, 7:30, sa higaan lang kami, na bumababa kami like 8:30, ganon. Like ngayon, 8:30, almost magna-9 na nga eh. Minnie, oh. Yes, I know, it's Dada upstairs. Yum, 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 yum. Good job! Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ay, sasayaw pa. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Napakabibo talaga nitong si Millie, guys. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yay! Clap hands. Clap hands. Can you clap hands as well? Clap hands. Clap hands. How to clap hands? Can you do clap hands as well? Can you clap hands? And pagkatapos kong pakainin, paliguan na natin si Millie, okay? Maverick, it's time to walk with Daddy. Are you gonna go also with Daddy? Bye, Dad! No, because Mila is eating. Look at this itsura, guys. Maaga na naman. Pawis na. Tapos na po kami kumain. Lalabas lang kami saglit. Sasama kami kay Daddy para magpaihi kay Maverick.
Dali, hindi ra. Hindi.
Maaga na naman nananakot si Maverick nang naglalakad. Magpapaihi lang kami kasi kay Maverick. Morning, ganyan, lunchtime.
And she knows to hold on my head.
Hi! Morning, 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 guys! Naman si Hila Boy eh. Hila Boy, init na. Hot water, guys, para sa kanyang shower bath. Morning bath of Millie. Ha? Pwede man. Wait, look at Maverick. Good morning. Where's the cat, Mav? Where's the cat? Where's Maverick?
Get down. Get down.
So, habang tayo ay nagpapakulo, ready natin yung mga kanyang gagamitin. So, can you reach me the bowl? Wow, thank you! And then, dito naman sa loob ng CR, dito natin papaliguan. Nagpapaliguan ng Disney Princess. Ito kasi pambunlaw niya. Yung tubig. Tapos lagay natin sa loob. And then, i-move natin dito. Ito pala guys, yung shampoo and body wash or bath soap na ginagamit niya. We are using Aveeno Baby Calming Comfort Bath. Natural oat extract and lavender scent. Ang bango nito guys, as in. And gently cleanses baby skin, helps calm baby before bedtime. So, ito yung ginagamit niya and sobrang bango. And then, hiyang si Millie sa Aveeno guys. Dati, di ba, Mustela yung gamit ko sa kanya. Pero nagbago na. Kasi, you know, may mga bagay na kailangan baguhin. Are you done?
Ready for bath. Princess ready for bath.
Disney Princess. Ayan. And then, ready natin yung kanyang damit for today's video. Ano siyang mga pajama, nagkanda ubusan na. Usually, di ba, pinapajama ko siya kasi nga madaming maglalaba nga ako after this. Kasi wala na siyang pajama. Ay, mayroon pa isa. Meron ba tayong pajama?
Bless you. Bless you.
And then, sandal.
No, watch me now.
And then, yeah. I'm using Rascal and Friends pala, guys. For Millie's diaper. Since then, Rascal and Friends baby.
So Rascal and Friends last all night.
Yeah.
You don't need to change it in the night.
So, ready na yung kanyang mga damit. And, na natin, guys. Papaliguan na natin ang Millie. Come on, let's go! Let's go!
Pop, 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 pop.
You want to take a bath as well?
Look at it now.
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Dancer to guys paglaki guys. Lagyan natin yung maliit na ball. Kasi pang banlang niya to guys. And then dito sa malaki. Johnny, Johnny and Papa. Anything sugar, no Papa. So, bango talaga dito guys. Itong Aveeno. Yung ano kasi hindi siya hiyang, nagkaka-rashes siya. Ayun ako. Since then, nag-Aveeno na ako nung nahiyangan siya dito. The what?
The rice.
Minsan nahirapan na rin talaga ako magpaligo sa kanya kasi ang kulit na niya. Like gusto na niya talagang mag-ano guys, magsige hala. Hindi ba makapirami? Hugas mo na. Hindi mapakali. Kaya, hindi nahirapan na ako mag-ano sa kanya paligo. Wee! Can you put a towel in the, in the sofa? After magpaligo, ang itsura ng nanay ay grabe. Basa. Can you pass her, clothes? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Where's the giraffe? At ito pa yung isa sa pinaka, ko guys, ngayon na. Pag ng diaper, ay nako. Kulit? Minsan nahirapan na ako. Kasi galaw ng galaw ba kapag nagpasuot ako ng diaper. Yeah. Asus. Okay, be patient. Stand by me. Magsando lang tayo kasi mainit. Pero
She doesn't have any bites anymore.
ay.
You sleepy already? Just wake up. Parang pusa. Ganyan yung pusa parang magsalita minsan na sa taas ng bubong. What are you trying to say? Look, she knows there's a camera there. You keep looking at the camera. Trying to show off.
Stand. Did it!
Even though she
Fresh
eats
from
food,
the bath.
Even though she eats food, she wants Dede straight away.
Because it's her routine. I just finished shower! Yay! Brush my hair, brush, 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 brush. I'm brushing, Mommy's brushing my hair. There you go. Done now. And then, we will be using this lotion from Mostela, guys. Ito, ano naman niya? Hiyang naman siya, guys. Itong Mostela. Lagyan natin kanyang ito. Balat para moisturize and hindi dry. Lalo na kapag, kunyari, mga tanghali. Ino-on kasi namin yung aircon namin, guys. Kaya, yun, nagdadry yung balat, ganun. Bango na. Sobrang bango nito, as in. Amoy baby na, Amoy baby na ang baby,
Dede.
Yay! Dede! Dede! Let's do Dede now! Let's go, Dede! Yay! Fresh from the bath ang baby! Wow! Hi! Itong bib niya is binigay lang sa kanya ng isa sa friend ko na nag-attend ng linggo. After nito, guys, maya-maya, ni-foam na to, guys. Tulog na siya.
How does she drink milk every time she eats? It's weird.
Because it's her routine. I wish I'm baby again.
Okay, I'm gonna treat you like a baby.
Because, you know, there's no responsibility.
Okay, one day I'm gonna treat you like a baby.
Just eat, poop, sleep lang.
I'm gonna buy you an adult diaper. Poop in it. Watch
no
iPad.
Problems, no stress, no pressuring.
Watch House of Dragon on iPad all day.
Huh?
Because they watch iPad, don't they, babies?
Smile siya. Stick na. La 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 Pagkatapos nito, magbe-breakfast na ako kasi yun na yung time na may time ako mag-breakfast, mga Mars. Kaya ito lang naman yung morning routine ni Millie. So, i-end ko na tong video na ito, mga mare. And that's it for today's video lang muna. Maraming salamat. God bless and see you on my next video.